star is for many characters. Then question mark is talking about one character. You can add multiple question marks as well. You can example, if you're adding 2 question marks, it will show as 2 and as well. Okay, let me give an example to you. Example, if you want to find the Microsoft, how many times it repeated in the Microsoft products from the column B. So if I can see here, I can say count if, then I'll say the column reference here. So I'll say from here to here. Okay, then I'll calculate, then I'll say what we are trying to find here, the Windows, or I can say or you can use Microsoft better. Okay, Microsoft. Then I'll use something called a star here. Okay, asterisk. So when you use a star here, asterisk, so automatically what happened? It automatically search the text after Microsoft. How many are there? It will search automatically. So you can see 6 are there here. Okay. Then so I'm also adding a reference absolute here. That way, you know, as you know that we are going to use the same like range for the below formulas as well. So I want to keep that as a when copying this formula should not have to change the data. So I'm just referencing, I'm blocking that. So you see already, you know, right? Earlier I mentioned you have to use F4. Okay, good. So I want now search for the, similarly I want to search even for Windows. You can also copy this data here, simplest way. Then you can just change this to Microsoft or I can use Windows here. Okay, then click, the 2 are there here. Okay, then if you want to search something called the Windows 11. Okay, so when we have 11 and 10 and 11 both are there. I want to just search with with one question mark here, that we can see. These are all just a given example. Probably you can use the real data more to utilize. So I use called count if, then you again, as I mentioned that, or you can copy the same formula here, that way at least you can save that. Okay, count if, then brackets here, then I can add the range here which I mentioned. Then you can also use F4 for changing this to, even I can do it like this also. Okay. Then I'm using something called in quotes, then I'll say Windows, then space 1, then I say 1 question mark here. Okay, then quotes close, then close the brackets as well. So 2. So we have got 2 here. Okay, and you can also search. Example, I want to search the BI, actually Power BI and there Power BI desktop, both I want to search wherever there is a BI starts with before or after BI starts in the text. Okay, if I can try here, I can use something called here called star asterisk here. So I'll say BI, then I use star here. Okay, then enter. You can see the 2 are there. Okay.